Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Bernard, your marketing soldier, hitting you back with another video with my results on the bot Matt AI. Today is the 27th of May, 2021. So I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys my day 3 results in Matt AI. If you've watched my other 2 videos, you know that I came in with an initial investment of $2,700, and things have been going phenomenal. So let's go over to my eLedger, and I want to show you what my earnings are so far. So as you can see, my profit for today is $43.23, right? And if you look at all of this, of all these orders, you can see all the profit that was made, that has been made in the last 24 hours. Well, actually 23 hours, because the bot doesn't reset the day until 12. So right now we're looking at 37 cents, 16 cents, 17 cents, 60 cents, 45 cents, 33 cents, 49 cents, $1.07. I mean, it just keeps going. Now, if I go over here to my accumulated, you can see that on the 25th, well, that was my very first day, I made $30.84. On the 26th, $33.36. And now, right now, I'm sitting at $43.23 in just a matter of a couple of days. And my overall balance is $107.44. Phenomenal results, guys. If we were to go to my calculator right now, let's see if I can go to my calculator. If we were to go, let's see, as you can see, I'm doing this from my phone. Where's my calculator? Okay, let's go to my trusty calculator. Now, right now, if you saw, so far I'm sitting at $107, right? So you take $107 and you divide that by $2,700, and that gives me a return of almost 4% in just 3 days. Now, the way this bot works is it's expected to have a return of anywhere from 10% to 30% monthly. All right. Now, right now, I'm sitting at almost 4% in just 3 days. So you can just imagine what's going to happen at the end of the month. I might just hit that 30%. Who knows? But that's phenomenal. That's just amazing results. So, guys, if you are not in this business, you might want to get into it. And personally, I think this is the perfect time to get into this, into Matt AI, because look at the price of Bitcoin right now. We're sitting at $39,489. Maybe 3 weeks about 3 weeks ago, maybe even longer, we were sitting at close to $70,000 Bitcoin. So we took almost, I think it was like a 56% correction. So right now, you're getting into Bitcoin at incredible prices right now. So it looks like based on what the market is doing, we're only going up from here. And yeah, I know right now we're looking at the dynamics here, you can see that we're in the red. But I mean, come on, this is incredible. Right now, the coins that you're looking at are all the coins that I'm currently trading with, and like I said, man, I'm having some phenomenal results, guys. So right now I'm in the United States, so I'm going to be going on a vacation with the family until Monday or Tuesday of next week. So I'm not going to be making a video, but I will come back and make another video just to show you how much money I made, how much money I've made during that time while on vacation, guys. All right, because Matt AI trades for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Holidays, it doesn't matter. This bot never sleeps. All right, guys, and that's how I was able to make the results that I have so far. So if you want to know more information, you'll see my email and my Facebook link down at the bottom of the screen, as well as a couple of other videos discussing Matt AI. And get back with me, and I can help you get started. So again, this is Bernard McDonald, showing my amazing results with Matt AI, signing